If you've ever dealt with persistent weeds, unhealthy plants, or felt overwhelmed by the endless gardening tips out there, you're in for something useful today. We're going to explore one of the most versatile, budget-friendly, and natural products you likely already have at home: vinegar. Yes, vinegar isn't just for cooking or cleaning. It's actually a powerful and underrated tool for gardening. Today, I'll walk you through 7 smart ways to use it to improve your garden. From eliminating weeds without chemicals to enhancing plant growth and even keeping pests away, vinegar can do it all. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just getting started, these easy and natural methods are simple to follow and can make a big difference. So grab your bottle of vinegar and let's dive in. You might be surprised by how effective this simple ingredient can be. 1. Natural weed killer. That really works. Are weeds constantly taking over your garden or lawn? Vinegar offers an easy and natural solution. By combining white vinegar with a small amount of dish soap, you can create an effective weed-killing spray without relying on harsh chemicals. All you need is a spray bottle. Fill it with 1 part vinegar and add a teaspoon of dish soap. This mixture works because vinegar pulls moisture out of the weeds, causing them to dry up and die. The dish soap helps the liquid cling to the leaves, making the treatment more effective. It's especially useful for areas like driveways, patios, and garden beds where weeds tend to grow aggressively. Whether it's sunny or overcast, the solution works by dehydrating the plant from within. One of the biggest advantages of using vinegar is its simplicity and eco-friendliness. However, you should apply it carefully. Vinegar does not distinguish between weeds and your garden plants. It will damage anything it touches. To avoid harming plants you want to keep, apply it precisely. You can protect nearby plants with cardboard or use a brush to target only the weeds. For best results, use this solution on a dry, sunny day. Sunlight helps the mixture dry quickly and penetrate deeper into the plant tissue. It works particularly well on stubborn weeds like dandelions and crabgrass, which are often difficult to eliminate. So instead of reaching for chemical herbicides, try vinegar next time weeds appear. It's a safe, natural, and effective way to keep your garden tidy and healthy. 2. Enhance flower color and bloom strength. If you want your flowers to look more vibrant and full of life, vinegar can help with that too. Adding a small amount to your watering routine can gently increase soil acidity, which is ideal for plants like azaleas, hydrangeas, and camellias that prefer acidic conditions. Many gardeners struggle to achieve rich, vivid blooms, and this simple method can make a noticeable difference. To prepare the solution, mix 1 cup of vinegar with 1 gallon of water and stir well. Then water your plants at the base about once a month. This slightly lowers the soil's pH, creating better conditions for these plants to absorb nutrients efficiently. Vinegar helps plants take in essential nutrients such as iron, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are important for strong growth and bright, colorful flowers. Acid-loving plants naturally thrive in these conditions, so this method helps recreate their ideal environment. As a result, you may see deeper blues in hydrangeas or more intense reds and pinks in azaleas. In addition to improving color, this technique also supports overall plant health. Regular use encourages stronger root systems and more abundant flowering throughout the season. It's a simple, natural alternative to expensive fertilizers and complicated treatments. If you've been trying to get richer blooms or more vivid colors in your garden, this easy vinegar solution could be exactly what you need. Give it a try, and you'll likely notice healthier plants and more striking flowers in no time. 3. DIY plant fertilizer. At this point, some of you might be wondering, is vinegar really suitable as a fertilizer? The answer is absolutely yes. When properly diluted, vinegar can be highly beneficial for certain plants by helping to create a well-balanced and healthy soil environment. It's an excellent natural option for enriching your garden without turning to synthetic or chemical fertilizers. One of the key advantages of vinegar is its ability to make important nutrients in the soil more accessible to plants, particularly those that thrive in slightly acidic conditions, such as blueberries, tomatoes, and various flowering species. Making your own vinegar-based fertilizer at home is extremely easy and requires only a few basic ingredients. To prepare it, simply combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 gallon of water. This mixture works by helping to break down organic matter in the soil, which in turn releases essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients play a critical role in supporting plant health, encouraging strong growth, abundant flowering, and successful fruit development. For plants that prefer acidic soil conditions, such as tomatoes or blueberries, this solution also helps maintain the ideal pH level, giving them exactly the environment they need to grow and flourish. This homemade fertilizer is a great choice for anyone looking to garden more naturally and avoid chemical-based products. One of its biggest advantages is how simple and effective it is to use. All you need to do is water your plants with the solution, making sure it is evenly distributed around the base of each plant. With consistent use over time, you'll begin to notice noticeable improvements. Plants become stronger, produce more flowers and fruit, and develop richer, more vibrant foliage. On top of that, you'll have the added benefit of knowing you're using a cost-effective, eco-friendly solution that is both easy to prepare and simple to apply. 4. Natural pest control. Anyone who has ever taken care of a garden knows just how destructive pests can be. Whether it's ants marching through your flower beds, mosquitoes ruining your time outdoors, or fruit flies gathering in your kitchen, these unwanted visitors can quickly turn an enjoyable gardening experience into a constant struggle. Fortunately, vinegar once again proves to be an incredibly useful solution. It acts as a powerful natural pest repellent that can help keep a wide range of insects away. To deal with ants, you can simply pour vinegar along their trails or near the entry points to your garden. The strong smell interferes with their pheromone trails, effectively confusing them and forcing them to leave the area. The results are often surprisingly quick. If fruit flies are the problem, vinegar can also be used to trap them effectively. Since fruit flies are strongly attracted to the scent of apple cider vinegar, you can use this to your advantage. Place a small bowl of apple cider vinegar near the affected area and add a drop of dish soap. The soap breaks the surface tension of the liquid, causing the flies to sink and become trapped. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and poke a few small holes in it. The flies will be able to enter, but they won't be able to escape. This simple yet effective method allows you to eliminate fruit flies without resorting to harmful chemicals. Mosquitoes can also be discouraged with vinegar. They dislike its smell, which makes it an excellent base for a natural insect repellent. By diluting vinegar with water and spraying it around your patio or garden, you can create a protective barrier that keeps mosquitoes away. It can be just as effective as commercial repellents, but without exposing you to toxic ingredients. Some people even apply diluted vinegar directly to their skin as a natural way to prevent mosquito bites while spending time outdoors. It's a safe, simple, and budget-friendly approach to pest control. Using vinegar as a pest repellent is not only effective but also environmentally friendly and affordable. Whether you're dealing with ants, fruit flies, mosquitoes, or other common garden pests, vinegar provides a reliable, non-toxic alternative to chemical pesticides. It's an easy way to protect both your garden and your home while keeping everything natural and safe. 5. Cleaning garden tools. As time goes on, garden tools tend to collect layers of dirt, sap, grime, and even rust. Not only does this make them look worn and neglected, but it can also reduce their efficiency and performance. If tools are not cleaned regularly, rust can develop, and plant debris can build up, making gardening tasks more difficult and less effective. Thankfully, vinegar offers a powerful and natural way to clean and restore your garden equipment. It's a highly effective, non-toxic cleaner that works well on a wide variety of tools. If your tools have developed rust, there's no need to worry. A simple solution is to soak them in white vinegar overnight. The acetic acid in the vinegar works to break down rust and corrosion, making it much easier to remove. The next day, you can scrub off the loosened rust using a wire brush or steel wool, and your tools will look and function almost like new again. This method is especially useful for tools with significant rust buildup. For lighter cleaning tasks such as removing dirt, sticky sap, or mineral residue, you can mix equal parts vinegar and water. Use a cloth, rag, or sponge to wipe down the surfaces of your tools. This solution effectively removes grime and buildup, leaving your tools clean, polished, and ready for use. Regular maintenance not only extends the lifespan of your garden tools, but also ensures they continue to perform efficiently. Clean, well-maintained tools are less likely to damage plants and make your gardening work much smoother overall. Vinegar is an affordable and practical solution for keeping your tools in excellent condition and ensuring everything in your garden runs as it should. 6. Improve your compost process. If you're already composting, you'll be glad to know that vinegar can help speed things up and make the process more efficient. Successful composting depends on the right balance of moisture, airflow, and acidity, and vinegar can assist in maintaining that balance. Its mild acidity supports the ideal pH level, allowing beneficial bacteria and microorganisms to break down organic matter more effectively. To use vinegar in your compost, simply sprinkle a small amount, around a couple of tablespoons, over the pile once a week. This helps accelerate the decomposition of materials like leaves, kitchen scraps, and garden waste, turning them into rich, nutrient-packed compost more quickly. Another benefit is odor control. Compost piles can sometimes develop unpleasant smells, especially if they become too wet or contain excess nitrogen-rich material. Vinegar helps regulate moisture levels and neutralize odors, making the composting process more manageable and less messy. By adding vinegar regularly, you help keep your compost pile active, balanced, and breaking down at an optimal rate. This means you'll have high-quality compost ready sooner, allowing you to enrich your soil more often and support healthier plant growth overall. 7. Protect plants from fungal diseases. Fungal infections are among the most common and frustrating challenges gardeners face. Issues like powdery mildew, rust, blight, and other fungal diseases can spread quickly, weakening plants and damaging their appearance. These problems tend to thrive in humid environments and can take over your garden if not addressed early. Fortunately, vinegar can serve as a natural solution to help prevent and control these infections. To make a simple antifungal spray, mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 1 quart of water. This creates a mildly acidic solution that inhibits fungal growth. Spray it directly onto affected plants, focusing on leaves, stems, and any areas showing early signs of infection such as white powdery spots or rust-colored patches. Applying it at the first signs of trouble is key to stopping the spread. The acidity of vinegar disrupts the ability of fungi to grow and reproduce, helping protect your plants and keep them healthy. Regular use, especially in areas where fungal issues are common, can act as a preventative measure and reduce the chances of infection taking hold. Using vinegar in this way also helps you avoid chemical fungicides, which can be harmful to the environment and beneficial insects. It's a simple, safe, and eco-friendly method for maintaining a strong, disease-resistant garden. By monitoring your plants closely and acting early, you can keep your garden vibrant and thriving throughout the growing season.